The last 7 days I got new followers 451 followers and the new likes 1610 likes, new profile visits 438 and new videos views 35,700 2241 likes and 48 comments and shared this video. 118 people shared this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. So if you are new in this channel, I make videos how you can make money online, how you can start your freelancing journey, and how you can start your YouTube channel. Today I will show you the hidden tricks how you can make your video viral on TikTok. And today I'm really happy to show you that this is my new account, TikTok account, Powerful Tutorials, which is my company name. And here you can see just I uploaded couple of videos. Okay, just couple of videos. All right, I'm really surprised to see this video. Here you can see this video got me 45.5k views. All right, I will show you the exact analytics, how much I got followers, likes, comments, etc. So if you want to grow your TikTok account to promote your business, so this is the great time to start. Okay, so TikTok is the best platform out there all over the world. So if you want to start your e-commerce business, so you can promote your business, you can make TikTok videos. All right, and nowadays AI can help you a great way. Okay, so here you can see this video. Okay, if you want to create AI related videos, okay, AI TikTok video, so check out my YouTube channel and you will see this video, AI TikTok video generator. So you can generate using AI. It's free now. Okay, and you can upload in your TikTok account. Okay, different way you can make videos. So today I will discover so what happens when your videos goes viral. So before jump into analytics, I should tell you that no one can make viral videos. Yes guys, definitely no one can make viral videos. People's, that's mean the audience makes you viral. So I made random videos and I didn't expect that this video got me viral and got me 45.5k views, because couple of videos just crossed the 100. That's mean here you can see 147, 178, 200, okay, 227, 300, and this video. And then I uploaded already 2 videos after this. Here you can see just 126, 433. Okay, so maybe there will be a chance to improve my videos quality, I know that. Okay, but as a beginner, as a new content creator, so this is okay to start. So that's why. And I saw different kind of videos that shows that how you can make viral, but I realized that this is my honest review, you can viral your videos. Okay, you just make your video outstanding and you can input yourself with the best practice, so that's gonna help you to reach the audience. Okay, I don't know why these people are liking these videos and watching these videos. Okay, maybe something in there, I will check it out. Also, I just uploaded this video and it's really amazing videos I just made with a good effort, but it's not going to viral. I don't know why. So is this a luck, or is this something the algorithm that you heard about this, the algorithm make you viral? And after going viral this video, I just got hundreds of followers. Okay, I just had like 13 or 15 followers, and when I got this video is viral, and it's still now here I can see, if I check the inbox, I just got a follow use. Okay, 2 minutes ago some people follows me. So let's discover this video. Here you can see I just got likes 2241 likes and 48 comments and shared this video. 118 people shared this video. So yesterday I just turned personal to business account. So maybe you know the TikTok personal account or business account, and when you turn into business account you will see this kind of analytics. Okay, so this is my analytics. Got followers 689 followers and likes. It's really crazy and I just love to see this analytics. So let's see the last 7 days I got new followers 451 followers and the new likes 1610 likes, new profile visits 438 and new videos views 35,727. So let's click on view more. And this is the overview guys. So last 7 days key metrics, video views, here you can see profile views. So when you got viral, you will see this kind of analytics, likes, everything is green. Okay, and likes, comment, shares, and unique viewers, and the comment also. So let's see the check the post section, and I'm going to see the particular this video that I got views. So click on analytics and let's check this video. So this video helped me to got viral. Here you can see 45.5k, 2.2k, 48, and the share 118. Alright, here you can see the total play time. This is really amazing, 331 minutes, and average watched and new followers. Alright, so this is the engagement and top keyword. So you can see the each and every part of analytics as like as YouTube analytics. Okay, and if you check the viewer section, you will see the total number of viewers, viewers type, gender, and location, age, etc. So it's gonna help you to run different kind of ads. Alright guys, so this is my viral story. So if you ask me that how you make viral, so I already replied that I didn't viral it, you viral it. That's mean the viewers are liking this, they are coming, they are sharing, they are commenting, likes, and they got more engaged with these videos. I don't know why, because I make randomly videos, and each and every videos I try to make very perfectly, and I don't know why this video got viral. You don't know which video got you viral and can bring you some shares, visitors, likes, comments. So that's today. I will come back with another tutorials. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.